Okay, house prices have been increasing steadily. They've been going up. Sounds like a positive slope. Right, the relationship between blah 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 value is this. Okay, so here's the equation of house prices going up. Okay, the graph is going to be a straight line. Okay, what's the slope? Remember, the slope is the 2500. That's the number, the coefficient of the x. Okay, now then, what's the meaning of this? Okay, here we go. Here's the meaning of this. Prices are going up by $2,500 per year. Okay, that's what that means. That's the slope. It goes up by $2,500 per year. Now the y-intercept, okay, is going to be, I should write it properly, 0 again, big, 125,000. Okay, so there's my y-intercept. What does that mean? Well, it means, okay, that in the starting year, which is 2005, when t is 0, okay, when t is 0, the house prices were $125,000. That's where you're starting this data. Okay, in 2005, the house prices were $2,500. Again, if I do something like this, okay, and maybe I'll just do like this. I'll do this. Okay, so like that. Okay, so here we go. This starting was $125,000 in 2005 or year 0. Okay, remember 2005 is the name of a year. It's not really a number, it's the name of a year. That's your year 0. So think about it. 2010 is 5 years later. T would be 5. Okay, so that's the meaning. Okay, so the y-intercept is $125,000, which is the price of houses in 2005. Okay, now remember, they're going up by $2,500 per year. Okay, so you can do that mentally. In another year's time, an extra $2,500. Another year's time, another $2,500. 25,000. Okay, now what is the house price after 8 years? Okay, all you're doing is when x, you see, v of x, so put x equal to 8. Okay, so 2,500 times 8, what's that? That's 10,000, 20,000 plus 120. Is that 145,000? 145,000. Put in your calculators. Okay. It went up by $20,000 in 8. So I can do this. If it went up by $20,000, which I seem to think it was, in 8 years, all right, that is, divide 20,000 by 8, yeah, $2,500. The slope is $2,500. It went up by $20,000, okay, plus the $125,000 originally, $145,000 now, okay. Now look at the one below. A car decreasing, well, think about it, it's going to go down in price. Now the interpretation of this equation is this: your car started at $18,500. Okay, I'll do a little graph like this again over here. Okay, there. When I'll just do this as well. I'll go down right now. Okay, when your car was new, okay, whenever it was, doesn't matter. Whenever it was new, t equals 0. This y-intercept, think about it, is 18,500. That is 18,500, the y-intercept. That's where you started. Now it's going to keep going down by $1,350 a year because cars go down in price, okay? And that's kind of interpretation. So the slope is negative $1,350. And if it's wanted to know, say, how much your car is worth after 5 years, in other words, V of 5, suppose I want to know what V of 5, the interpretation, that is, what's the value of my car after 5 years? Then in my calculator, I would go, right, what's negative? So 1350 times 5, that equals that, and that's negative, okay, plus 18,500. Okay, I'll bring that over here so you can see it. Okay, so negative 6750, that's 5 times that, plus that, that's going to equal $11,750. Okay, so $11,750. So let's say after 5 years, my car is now worth, and again, if you just put a little kind of line over there, right there would be 11,000, whatever it was. I can't remember the calculator. What was it? Oh, never mind. whatever it was before. Okay, so that's just you substituting X5 and find out what the value of your car is. It goes down in price. Okay.